Assertion is iodination of alkanes is carried out by heat in presence of reducing agent. And the reason given is iodination of alkanes takes place explosively. See, let us take the assertion. Here in the assertion, what is given? Iodination of alkane. So let us take an example, methane. On iodination, adding I2 in lightly heating in presence of heat, what is the product? We will be getting alkyl iodide, that is methyl iodide plus HI. See here, the HI itself is a strong reducing agent. So what happens? Reverse reaction takes place. Again this methyl iodide will be changed into methane and HI is reduced to I2. So there is the formation of product will be less because the reverse reaction takes place and HI itself is a strong reducing agent. We have to add a oxidizing agent. We have to add oxidizing agent to improve the products. See, that is HI. When oxidizing agents like HiO3 is added, what happens? I2 will be liberated. So balance it 5HI. So this HI is converted into that is I2. It is reduced into I2. So no more reverse reaction takes place and we will be getting the more product. Here iodination of alkanes is carried out by heat in the presence of reducing agent is strong. It should be carried in the presence of oxidizing agent. This oxidizing agent further converts HI into I2, so only the forward reaction will be proceed. So assertion given itself is a wrong statement. Going on to the reason, iodination of alkanes takes place explosively. No, that is fluorination will be taking place explosively. See here, only fluorination. Fluorination means CH4 when adding this fluorine. This will be taking place explosively. So there is a rupture of C-C bond in higher alkanes. So assertion is also wrong and reason is also the wrong. So option is D. Iodination of alkanes is carried out only in the presence of oxidizing agent, not the reducing agent. So option is D.